Hello everyone, this video is for mirrorless camera sensor cleaning. I have one Sony camera which I noticed that sensor has some fingerprints on it. I don't know how the camera get it, but somehow I find out there is two fingerprints on the sensor of the camera. So I search a little bit and find out two different kind of kits available in the market, and I bought both of them, but I'm gonna use one of them. This is the one is the whole package. It has so many things. Even you can clean the camera, lenses, other stuff, and this is very good kit which has a lot of different items that you can use later on as well. And this is the only sensor cleaning kit which I just got it from Amazon, and it just clean your sensor. So what I decided, I'm gonna use this one, and because this one has more options and more stuff. So let's start it. I'm gonna get my clean swab and cleaning liquid. Cleaning liquid is optional, but if you can use it, it will give you better result, and you can clean micro dust as well from the lens sensor as well. And let's start with this thing. And what we have to do, that we have to first try to do manual sensor cleaning. That if you go look at in your camera, there's a suitcase icon. If you go in there, then there is an option of cleaning mode. You enter it and you will feel some vibration in your sensor. Sometime it will remove the dust particles, but since I have a fingerprints on the sensor, so it did not work for me. So let's start with the swab and try to clean the sensor with the solution and the swab. I got it in the kit. So first thing, you have to turn off your camera. There is no power, and you need to make sure that you turn it off properly. So once you turn it off, then I'm going to use these two things, and it's just a one drop on each side of the swab just to make it a little bit wet. So the basic concept is that when I try to clean the sensor, it will either clean the fingerprints as well as it will clean the dust particle. So you can put this swab on the sensor, just put a gentle pressure just to feel that you have a little pressure on it, and try to clean on left to right or up and down. So just to make sure that you are cleaning all the fingerprints. Since I had a fingerprints and it seems like quite old, so I have to do it a couple of times, but normally 1 to 2 swab left and right or up and down will clean the sensor properly. So I did it on both sides. Seems like it's clean now, and all the fingerprints which I had is removed. So let's put the lens back on the camera, so it will not allow the other dust particle or anything other particle to go into the sensor again. So that's the easy way to clean the Sony mirrorless or any mirrorless camera sensor with regular swab or wet swab as well. Thank you so much for watching.